Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the subject Computer Fundamentals and Organization. This lecture is meant for Semester 1 BCA course of Kerala University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the ROM. ROM stands for Read-Only Memory, is a memory device or storage medium that stores information permanently. It is also the primary memory unit of a computer along with the random access memory. It is called read-only memory as we can only read the programs and data stored on it but cannot write on it. It is restricted to reading words that are permanently stored within the unit. The manufacturer of ROM fills the programs into the ROM at the time of manufacturing the ROM. After this, the content of the ROM can't be altered, which means we can reprogram, rewrite or erase its content later. However, there are some types of ROM where we can modify the data. A ROM contains special internal electronic fuses that can be programmed for a specific interconnection pattern. The binary information stored in the chip is specified by the designer and then embedded in the unit at the time of manufacturing to form the required interconnection pattern. Once the pattern is established, it stays within the unit even when the power is turned off. So, it is a non-volatile memory as it holds the information even when the power is turned off or we shut down the computer. The information is added to a ROM in the form of bits by a process known as programming the ROM, as bits are stored in the hardware configuration of the device. So, ROM is a programmable logic device, that is PLD. The block of ROM has n input lines and m output lines. Each bit combination of the input variables is known as an address. Each bit combination that comes out through output lines is called a word. The number of bits per word is equal to the number of output lines m. The types of ROM are: first one, masked read-only memory, that is MROM. Second one, programmable read-only memory, that is PROM. Third one, erasable and programmable read-only memory, that is EPROM. Fourth one, electrically erasable and programmable read-only memory, that is EEPROM. And fifth one, flash memory. First one, masked read-only memory, that is MROM. It is the oldest type of read-only memory. It has become obsolete, so it is not used anywhere in today's world. It is a hardware memory device in which programs and instructions are stored at the time of manufacturing by the manufacturer. So, it is programmed during the manufacturing process and can be modified, reprogrammed or erased later. The MROM chips are made of integrated circuits. Chips send a current through a particular input-output pathway determined by the location of fuses among the rows and columns on the chip. The current has to pass along a fuse-enabled path, so it can return only via the output the manufacturer chooses. This is the reason the rewriting and any other modification is not impossible in this memory. Second one, programmable read-only memory, that is PROM. PROM is a blank version of ROM. It is manufactured as blank memory and programmed after manufacturing. We can say that it is kept blank at the time of manufacturing. We can purchase and then program it once using a special tool called a programmer. In the chip, the current travels through all possible pathways. The programmer can choose one particular path for the current by burning unwanted fuses by sending a high voltage through them. The user has the opportunity to program it or to add data and instructions as per his requirement. Due to this reason, it is also known as the user programmed ROM, as a user can program it. To write data onto a PROM chip, a device called PROM programmer or PROM burner is used. Once it is programmed, the data cannot be modified later. So, it is also called as one-time programmable device. Uses: it is used in cell phones, video game consoles, medical devices and more. Third one, erasable and programmable read-only memory, that is EEPROM. EEPROM is a type of ROM that can be reprogrammed and erased many times. The method to erase the data is very different. It comes with a codes window through which a specific frequency of ultraviolet light is passed for around 40 minutes to erase the data. So, it retains its content until it is exposed to the ultraviolet light. We need a special device called a PROM programmer or PROM burner to reprogram the EEPROM. Uses: it is used in some microcontrollers to store program. Fourth one, electrically erasable and programmable read-only memory, that is EEPROM. EEPROM is a type of read-only memory that can be erased and reprogrammed repeatedly up to 10,000 times. It is also known as flash EEPROM, as it is similar to flash memory. It is erased and reprogrammed electrically without using ultraviolet light. Access time is between 45 and 200 nanoseconds. The data in this memory is written or erased one byte at a time, byte per byte, whereas in flash memory data is written and erased in blocks. So, it is faster than EEPROM. It is used for storing a small amount of data in computer and electronic systems and devices such as circuit boards. Uses: the BIOS of a computer is stored in this memory. Fifth one, flash ROM. It is an advanced version of EEPROM. It stores information in an arrangement or array of memory cells made from floating gate transistors. The advantage of using this memory is that we can delete or write blocks of data around 512 bytes at a particular time, whereas in EEPROM we can delete or write only 1 byte of data at a time. So, this memory is faster than EEPROM. It can be reprogrammed without removing it from the computer. Its access time is very high, around 45 to 90 nanoseconds. It is also highly durable, as it can bear high temperature and intense pressure. Uses: it is used for storage and transferring data between a personal computer and digital devices. In this lecture, we have discussed the ROM. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.